English Listening Podcasts. Today, we talk about procrastination. Most people think procrastination is laziness. They say, I am lazy, I have no discipline, I am broken. But that is not true. Most procrastination is not laziness, it is avoidance. You avoid a task because it hurts a little inside. Not physical pain, emotional pain. Pressure, fear, confusion, shame, boredom. So today we will see the hidden cost of procrastination, and we will learn a calm way to start. Let me tell you a story. A person has an important task. Maybe it is work, maybe it is study, maybe it is a project, maybe it is a message they must send. They wake up and think, today I will do it. Then they open their phone, just for a second. They scroll, they watch videos, they check messages. Then it becomes 1 hour. Now they feel worse. They think, okay, later. Later becomes evening. At night they feel heavy, they feel guilty, and they say, tomorrow. This is the loop. Procrastination is a loop, and the cost is not only time. The cost is your self-respect, because every time you avoid, you teach your brain, I do not trust myself. So today, we change the lesson. 2 ideas. Idea 1, avoiding creates more pain. Many people procrastinate to reduce pain. They think, if I avoid this task, I will feel better. And yes, for a moment, you feel relief. But then something happens. The task is still there. Now it is bigger in your mind. Also, you carry guilt, so the pain grows. This is the hidden cost. Avoiding feels good now, but it makes tomorrow harder. So procrastination is not a time problem, it is an emotion problem. Idea 2, name the feeling, then start for 10 minutes. We need a simple method. When you avoid a task, stop and ask, what feeling am I avoiding? Maybe you feel fear of failure, fear of judgment, confusion, pressure, boredom, shame. Now do something simple. Name it. Say it in one sentence. I feel pressure. I feel fear. I feel confused. This is powerful because when you name a feeling, it becomes smaller. It becomes clear, and then you can move. Now we use the second part. Start for 10 minutes. Not forever, not perfect, just 10 minutes. Because your brain can accept 10 minutes. 10 minutes feels safe. So the method is, name the feeling, then start for 10 minutes. Now let's make this real. Imagine you avoid writing. You open the document and you feel pain. Maybe the pain is, I am not good, this will not work, I don't know where to start. Okay, you name it. I feel fear and confusion. Then you start a small action. Write the title. Write 3 bullet points. Write 1 messy paragraph. That's it. This small action breaks the loop, because action creates clarity. Now I want to give you a short story. A person avoids the gym. They say, I have no motivation. But the truth is, they fear discomfort. They fear feeling weak. They fear people watching. They fear the first day. So they avoid. Now we use the method. They name the feeling. I feel uncomfortable. I feel insecure. Then they do 10 minutes. They put on gym clothes. They walk to the gym door. They do 1 simple workout. After 10 minutes, something changes. The fear is still there, but smaller, and the person feels proud because they moved. Now, here is another important idea. Procrastination is often a perfection trap. Many people delay because they want to do it perfectly. They think, if I can't do it perfectly, I won't start. This sounds smart, but it is poison, because perfect is heavy. Perfect creates pressure. So we change the goal. We do not aim for perfect. We aim for progress. We aim for done. A messy start is better than a perfect plan. Now let's build a mini plan for today. Mini plan for today. Step 1. Pick one avoided task. Just one. Write it down. Example: send the email, start the project, study the lesson, clean the room, go for a walk. Step 2. Ask, what feeling is here? Name it in one sentence. I feel fear. I feel pressure. I feel bored. I feel confused. Step 3. Make the task smaller. Ask, what is the smallest first step? Examples: open the document, write the first line, create a simple list, set a timer, prepare materials. Step 4. Timer for 10 minutes. Start now. Only 10 minutes. You can stop after 10 minutes, but here is the funny part. Most people continue because starting is the hardest part. Step 5. End with one next step. Write one sentence. Next time, I will do. This makes tomorrow easier. Now I want to say something important. You do not need to fight yourself with shame. Shame is not fuel. Shame makes you smaller. Instead, use a calm mindset. I am learning to act. You are not lazy. You are human. But you can build discipline, one small start at a time. Now do shadowing with me. Repeat slowly. I do not delay my life. I face small discomfort now. Avoiding makes it bigger. I start for 10 minutes. I can feel fear and still act. I choose relief after action. I respect my future self. I finish one thing today. I move forward. I am in control. And here is your challenge today. Choose one avoided task. Name the feeling. Start for 10 minutes. That's it. If you want more calm episodes like this, subscribe and stay with me. Quiet discipline, small starts, big change. See you next episode.
If you're here, there's a reason. Subscribe and stay with us. We help you learn English differently. Find your path.